Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will guide you through how to fix apps not opening on Mac. So let's get started. If your apps are not opening on your Mac, then you can try various steps to resolve this issue. So one of the steps is you can check your Mac OS updates. So in order to do that, tap on the Apple icon, tap on the system settings. Then simply you will be navigated into the system settings. Inside system settings, tap on the general option available there. You can see the general option. Then inside general, tap on the software update and make sure your Mac is running the latest version of Mac OS, or else you can simply update your feature. So the second step is you can check storage space. In order to do that, go for the spotlight search and type down storage and search it. So you'll be navigated to the storage setting. Make sure that your Mac has enough free storage space available. Insufficient disk space can cause apps to malfunction. You can check your disk space clearly, and you can even delete the app you don't need to make sure that you have free storage. So the third step is check activity monitor. Go to your spotlight search again and type down activity monitor and search for it. So go to the memory option in your activity monitor and use the activity monitor utility to check if any processes are consuming excessive CPU or memory resources. And if you find any resource intensive process, you can quit them to free up system resources. So that is it. By following these steps, you should be able to troubleshoot and resolve the issue of app not opening on your Mac. So if you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you for watching.